How to turn off new following notifications on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off new following notifications on Instagram. So easy and quick. So let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. And now click on setting. Click on notifications and click on following and followers. Now click on off new followers. Now your new following people, if they follow you, you are not gonna get a notifications. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.